there, Future Employee of the Year. Gone are the days of dusty newspapers and endless phone calls. The internet is your new best friend for landing that dream job. It's like having a 24/7 job fair right at your fingertips. No matter what you're looking for, it's out there.
So grab your laptop, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of online job hunting. You're probably thinking, where do I even begin? Don't worry, we've got you covered. It's all about knowing where to look and how to stand out. And trust us, with a little effort, you'll be amazed at what you can find. So, are you ready to become an online job hunting pro? Let's go. First things first, let's talk about the heavy hitters in the online job search world. These are the websites you'll want to bookmark immediately. Think of them as your trusty sidekicks on this exciting journey. First up, we have Indeed. This website is like the Google of jobs. It searches millions of websites so you don't have to. Next, we have Glassdoor. Not only can you find jobs here, but you can also get the inside scoop on companies from people who actually work there. Talk about valuable intel. And last but definitely not least, there's LinkedIn. This isn't just your average social media platform, folks. It's the world's largest professional network, and it's a goldmine for job seekers. More on that later. Now that you know where to look for jobs, it's time to make sure you're putting your best foot forward. Your online presence is key. Think of it like this. Your resume and online profiles are your first impression. They're your chance to showcase your skills, experience, and that awesome personality of yours.
First up, let's talk resumes. Remember, a generic resume just won't cut it. Tailor your resume for each job you apply for, highlighting the skills and experience that match the job description. Keywords are your friends here.
Now, let's move on to your online profiles, especially LinkedIn. Make sure your profile is complete, up-to-date, and showcases your skills and experience in a clear and concise way. Think of it like a mini resume that tells your professional story. Section 4, LinkedIn. It's not just for CEOs. Okay, time to dive deeper into the wonderful world of LinkedIn. We can't stress enough how important this platform is for your job search. It's like a giant networking event, but you can attend in your pajamas.
First and foremost, connect with people. Start with people you know, like classmates, colleagues, and professors. Then branch out and connect with people in your field. Networking on LinkedIn can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Don't be afraid to reach out to people and ask for informational interviews. You'd be surprised how willing people are to help.
Section 5, Beyond the Job Boards, Exploring Virtual Events. Now, you might be thinking, is that all there is to online job hunting? Nope, we're just getting started. The online world is full of amazing resources, like virtual career fairs and networking events.
These events are a fantastic way to meet recruiters and hiring managers from the comfort of your own home. You can attend webinars, workshops, and even have one-on-one chats with potential employers. How cool is that? Plus, many of these events are free to attend. So, do a quick Google search for virtual career fairs or online networking events in your field and see what you can find.
Section 6, Be a go-getter. Direct contact for the win. Here's a little secret. Sometimes the best jobs aren't even advertised online. That's right, you heard us correctly. So, how do you find them? By being proactive and reaching out to companies directly.
Think about companies you admire or would love to work for. Then do your research and find the hiring manager or someone in your target department. Craft a personalized email expressing your interest in the company and highlighting your skills and experience. Don't be afraid to follow up if you don't hear back right away. Persistence is key.